We're in Tom Bradley Terminal on our way to our honeymoon. Made it through security. Boarding in 50 minutes. Just woke up for breakfast. Trapper got an omelet. I got the pancakes. We have less than 2 hours till we're there or something. We're in Tahiti.
2 meals and 500 drinks later, we're here.
We got some pretty good food. We're all rested. We got to lay down on those things. There was a beautiful view when we landed.
I woke up to a crazy lady yelling at me about breakfast. It was my wife.
It was me. I wanted to make sure he was well fed because that's my responsibility now. But here we are. Off we go.
I think it's just a cool view.
Exploring.
Here we go.
Technical difficulties with the drone. The drone is not returning to us.
Temporary drone fail.
He doesn't know how to use it.
Right after I just tell you.
I'm just joking. Alright, we're hiking up. I have a blister. Hiking up to Magic Mountain.
Angela's struggling, but Mr. Knees Over Toes back here is just easy breezy.
Whatever. Oh wow. Should we stop there? Made it to the top.
Pretty incredible. We're going all the way around. Wow. Epic views.
Look at that.
That's our hotel way back there. Those bungalows.
We're getting eaten by bugs. Gotta go. The way down.
Medic. Awooga! Hello, nerves! Who's driving that side by side? Ow!
Alright, cheers. The first night of our honeymoon. A beautiful view. It is
First of
perfect.
many cabanas over the water.
One of three. Alright, on the way to the boat tour. It's so bright out. We are walking down the little pathway to meet our boat tour guide.
All the workout classes paying off.
Walking around this little private island. View is crazy. Here's the island. And our tour guides are making us lunch. They're setting up a table inside the water. And we're gonna have fresh fish and some chicken maybe. Our boat just cooking us some lunch. Our last night in Moorea, heading to dinner. It's a beautiful sunset behind us. Seriously, so pretty. The rain came and went, and we've been left with this.
Just like our beautiful wedding day. The rain came and cleared smog out, which there isn't much here.
Our last night in Moorea. This is
What?
our last breakfast in Moorea.
I'm on my third plate every day, 3 plates of food.
I have one tiny one.
Looking forward to Bora Bora today. Quick, short flight with my sweet Tahiti right next to me. Loose pan.